Hi everyone, I'm Dawn. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting with me today. So today I'm going to do a kind of Mother Nature inspired look. First I'm going to just start with some eye makeup, and I'm going to try to paint vines on me and stuff. I'm not really sure exactly where I'm going to go, but I had thought of painting myself green, but I didn't want to look like the Jolly Green Giant, so you know what? Let me fill my brows in before anything else. I did them quick and uneven. It's fine. Okay. It's getting more and more difficult for me to do my eye makeup with my visual acuity not being as good as it used to be. It seems to be getting worse and worse every week. But I'll be going to the eye doctor soon, so. Okay. Ah. Super slim, super skinny, no brush. Okay. Now I'm just drawing some slight, I think it's too much. drawn squigglies and try and draw in some leaves. You know. Uh-oh. Press a little too hard on that one. You gotta go to be very soft. And delicate, you know. So I'm gonna go through here and get some leaves on and kind of fill it in, and I will be back when that part's done. Okay, now I want to add some other colors of nature in there, like what we might see on a plant outside. And I'm gonna try some orange because we have these bushes outside that have these pretty orange flowers on them. So I'm gonna try some orange, but it doesn't show up on my skin very good, so we're just gonna see what I can accomplish. I might have to try a different color or mix orange with some brown. But we'll just see. Let's just test it out. It's not showing up yet, but we will see. I'm not actually going to draw the flowers. I just want to put just some splotches of color. But I have seen those flowers in other colors. So maybe I'll just add more color to it. Because see that orange? Orange doesn't show up really great on my skin. Neither does yellow. Let's try some red with a little bit, a touch of the orange in it. I think that's gonna work better. It's just for a bit of color other than just the green. You know, just the colors you might see out in nature. Something like that. Then we're gonna wait for that to dry. You know what? Let's do the lip while we wait for that to dry. I went ahead and grabbed my Lisa Frank palette too, since I was over there, and I want some better greens. I'm using the green in one of my flash palettes, and it's not my favorite green, but it is a naturey kind of green. So that doesn't look too bad on though. Ah. So have y'all seen the trailer for Rob Zombie's The Munsters? I don't don't know about that acting. Grandpa, he's got it down, I think, but it's, I don't love her Lily Adams. I just don't. I mean Munster. Lily Munster, that didn't sound right. I don't love her. It's over the top and it's too, like she's trying too hard and not at all, both at the same time, you know. And I'm gonna be putting a green wig on, don't y'all fret none. Okay, let's get into, we have a nice little green section in this palette, so we're gonna get into that and work on these eyes some more. I wanted to do something kind of summery, summer friendly. Of course, around here, it's so hot. Well, it's been raining a lot, so things have been getting a lot of moisture, but for the most part, it's so hot that things just, you know, they bloom and then just die and just turn to crust. Turn to crust and die. You know what? I might go ahead and there. Dot over it a little bit. All right. Okay, so now I want to take this lighter green and just kind of dance around my vines with it a little bit. See what I can do about the highlighter. I think I'm just going to use like a normal highlighter and just use my finger to dab some in place. Because I feel like Mother Nature should be lit a little bit. Uh-oh, I put some there, I didn't mean to. Get a wig on and then see what else I can do. Okay. Oops. Let me hide my Trapper Keeper. I bought a Trapper Keeper today. And I know this wig is just like a party wig, but we're just looking and seeing what else we can do to brighten things up a little bit. You can't really see this side too much, but I want it to be even on both sides. I just added a little yellow in there. Okay. Have Eric come give his final approval. He's gonna like, I could rub crap on me and he'd be like, oh, that looks so good. Look, it's an interpretation of Mother Nature. What do you think?
Good.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
You like my outfit? Okay.
I would have guessed it was poison ivy.
Oh, really? I did a poison ivy look a while
You did
ago,
that one before.
but I can do a new one. She's open to interpretation too, I believe. If it was poison ivy, I would have more ivy-shaped leaves. Okay, well that's my Mother Nature inspired look. Hope you like this. I have a couple looks coming up that I'm going to be doing that I'm really excited about. So Eric's wearing a mask and it's distracted me. But I have some looks coming up that I'm going to attempt that I'm really excited about. So I hope you come and stick around for them. Oh, you don't like that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for some final pictures, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.